Hello everyone, welcome again. In this tutorial, you will be learning how to access high quality learning notes. Alright, so on Notes Master, you will find notes as the name suggests, right? Now it is very similar to the video you received earlier, right? You will access these notes through groups, and we have several support groups that are designated for your range of subject offerings. All right. Now, to access this, enter your groups. If you put the cursor on add a group, you will see find and create popping up. Now, if you click create, you'll be ported to this area where feature group is highlighted first. However, you have a range of categories, VSA, VLG, that you can search for groups based on. Now, if you scroll down, you will simply see these different support groups. So you will see one for KEEP, you'll see one for CPA, CSEC, all right, and the list goes on, CVQ, CCSLC, and so forth, all right. Now, let's access CSEC. All right, now this is the most popular offering from CXC, so it's just the same as with accessing your past paper group. This construct is the same, so you won't have to be relearning the environment. All right, so first you have your post area where you can simply make post. Right, you have to the right the two numbers, one depicting the amount of resources available and another the amount of members in the group. You also have some under tabs like post, which I've alluded to earlier. You can type things and they'll be displayed, right? Now, you also have areas such as shared resources and an area that will allow you to browse all the CSEC offering, right? So all these CSEC offering, you can browse them and access high quality learning material, right? So you have chemistry, economics, and the list goes on, right? So basically, what you'll get here is that once you click on a subject, it will expand and give you, as you would have known, the syllabus. So for example, mathematics. If we click on mathematics, just wait for it to load a little, right? And you will see now, just as how you would have your CXC syllabus with the sections, right? And then if you click on a section, for example, you would then be presented with your topics. So let's try this section. Now, that's the main topic for that section, which is measurement, right? And of course, once you click on the topic, you will get your full list of specific objectives. So all the things that you need to master for this topic, right? So let's try a objective. Now for this objective, you will see that we have 4 resources, all right, displayed for it. Let's try and access one of them. Now we know that this resource will be speaking about perimeter of plane shapes, right? So of course, we know it's the flat shapes that we are dealing with. We call them polygons, right? And we're going to be investigating, of course, this note, how you find, the distance around some of these flat shapes, right? And compound shapes to be exact, right? Because you know that it get complex. It's just not a simple shape, right? We have a video here that you can simply watch and rewatch to your convenience, right? So you can speed it up, you can rewind, you can fast forward, right? It's up to you, right? Now, once you're through with this video, you can of course proceed down where you have now a slide share, right, that you can scroll through to understand a little bit more about perimeter. You can full screen, if you want a better view, right? And of course, you'll be served up with a similar slide shares at the end that you can watch just the same, right? Press escape to revert to the regular view. And of course, your note will now be completed with a little practice as well as some, and the reminders. All right, so this is all as it relates to accessing your high quality learning resource. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.